Kia ora! Welcome to the third lesson in tenses. Today, we're going to learn one type of past tense. To form this tense, we start the sentence with the word I. How we form the rest of the sentence is just like when we use kei te or ka, meaning the sentence starts with I. Immediately after, we put the verb. Then, finally, the pronoun to show who did the action. The meaning would translate as follows. I kōrero au. I spoke. I kōrero koe. You spoke. I kōrero ia. He or she spoke. Notice that the verb does not change, no matter who is doing the action. We can change the verb to change the action itself. Oma means run. I oma au. I ran. I oma koe. You ran. I oma ia. He or she ran. At the end of these sentences, instead of using the pronouns for I, you, he or she, we can use the nouns of things or people. For example, I kōrero te wahine. The woman spoke. I oma ngā kurī. The dogs ran. Let's practice using nouns that we've learned previously and also while learning some new verbs. Kani means dance. I kani te tangata. The person danced. I kani ngā tāngata. The people danced. Hi koi means walk. How do you say, the cat walked? I hīkoi te ngeru. And how do you say, the cats walked? I hīkoi ngā ngeru. Tākaro means play. How do you say, the dog played? I tākaro te kurī. And how do you say, the dogs played? I tākaro ngā kurī. Finally, we can create questions simply by changing our inflection. I kōrero au. Did I speak? I oma au. Did I run? How would you ask, did the cat walk? I hīkoi te ngeru. And how would you ask, did the dogs play? I tākaro ngā kurī. There you have it. Now you know one kind of past tense in Māori. Ka kite.